I've been thinking about this for a while now, and I've decided to quit school to do YouTube full time.
Whoa. Wait, really?
Why?
I cannot.
Like legitimately, you're gonna quit school. Since when? When did you decide this?
She's telling us her decision now.
Yeah.
Well, you're my roommate. Whoa. I mean, I support it.
I mean, yeah.
But like, wow, that's a really big decision.
I don't lie when I say I did it. Big stars, big cash, my way, but still I found belief.
I have decided to quit my aeronautical engineering career to become a full-time YouTuber. Hello guys, I am Mami Sika and I am your #1 Kasoa ambassador. If you don't know me, my name is Mami Sika. I am a YouTuber. I make videos about my town in Ghana called Kasoa, and I'm also an aeronautical engineering student in Longview, Texas in the USA. So I started my YouTube career about a year and a half ago, and it has been going great. I have promoted my town to the world. People have heard about my town from different parts of the world, and I actually love what I am doing right now. But coming to school made me realize that I didn't really have the time to work on my YouTube because I was always doing assignments, working on projects, studying, getting ready for my tests, and it has just been a lot. And I've been thinking about it. The COVID pandemic that happened in 2020 made me realize how volatile the aviation industry is, and how the aviation industry took a hit during the pandemic made me start wondering, do I really want to do aeronautical engineering? Is it really worth it? Am I going to benefit in the long run, or is something crazy going to happen and it all just come down to its knees? At that same time too, YouTube went up. Everybody that was doing YouTube was doing exceptionally well. So many people were consuming content and people were making money. Even our very own Wodemaya, who recently got 1 million subscribers on YouTube, was an aeronautical engineering student. He dropped out of school to become a YouTuber, and he has been making a lot of money. It really got me thinking, should I just quit school to do YouTube? I mean, if Wodemaya did it, I can do it too, right? I can also become very famous, promote Kasoa to the world, I can promote Africa to the world and do amazing things with that. So I've decided to quit school to become a full-time YouTuber. I mean, what is there to lose? I can still make money, I can still support my children in the future, and I can do great things with YouTube. So the first thing I thought of after making that decision was to get the equipment that I need to revamp my content and make quality videos for my viewers, because quality videos attract more viewers. And so I went ahead to use all the money left in my bank account to buy me a little camera that I'm going to be using. And today I'm going to be showing you my camera. This is my camera. I got the GoPro Hero 9 with my last $500, and it came with a 64 gig SD card that can shoot in 4K, which I'm going to be shooting in. And my baby, let's open her up. I'm excited. This is very real. This is just amazing. You know, I've been wanting to buy the GoPro Hero 9 ever since I started my YouTube channel, because I go everywhere to vlog, and sometimes vlogging with my phone wasn't the best because the quality wasn't that great, and it also got everybody looking at me. And also I was scared that my phone would be snatched. I don't want my iPhone being snatched while I'm filming a video at the market. So getting this camera is just everything. Look at it, it's beautiful. So this is the GoPro box. It came with the GoPro Hero 9. It also came with a charger, one battery, whatever this is. I think it's for holding the GoPro when you're putting the stick on it, like the handle on it. Yeah, and this is for mounting. So when I was looking online to get my GoPro, I realized that I wasn't going to get everything I needed in this box. So I went ahead to buy an accessory kit for my GoPro, which has all the vlogging requirements, and this this is it. It's big. There's so many different things in here. I don't even know half of the stuff's name, but let's unbox this baby. So this is Newer, the Newer brand, and I guess they make GoPro accessories. Wow. So over here I have my vlogging handle. I'll connect it to my GoPro and I'll be like, hi guys, I am Mami Sika. This is your Kasoa ambassador. You'll figure out what you're going to use this for, but I'm sure it's useful. I have my mountain screws and other stuff. What's this? Oh, it's a strap. So whenever I go skydiving or anything, I can strap this on my hand with my GoPro in here and just film everything. I love this. I feel like buying this GoPro is going to really help me to film things that I wasn't able to film before because I was scared to drop my phone and break it. I can actually go the extra mile now because I have all this stuff. And I feel like I'm really stepping ahead in my YouTube game. So this is also for mountain. And here, this is another strap for my head, I think. Yes, it's for my, I don't think I want to put that on right now because I don't want to destroy all this beauty. But yeah, I'm going to put this on my head like this, and I'm going to mount the GoPro here, so if I'm biking or hiking in Mount Everest or anything, I can still be filming. That's so exciting, actually. That is so exciting. There's another mountain thing, I guess. And I have more stuff over here. Oh my gosh. I feel like a real professional now. I'm so grateful that I can be able to do this and share my town and my country and my continent with you guys on a different level. It's like I can put it on like a seat belt, mount my GoPro here, and you know, more stuff guys. A whole lot of new stuff. This is like, oh yeah, we'll figure out what we are gonna use all this stuff for. But I do not regret spending my last money on this. I know it's gonna pay off, and this is actually a great investment because with this I can make so much more money and support myself, support my family, my friends, and also do some charity work with this while promoting Kasoa to the world. I have a little tripod here. This is so cute. Yeah, so I can set up my GoPro for sit down talks like this and just, you know, talk. The journey ahead is going to be a crazy one, and I'm definitely very excited for it. I don't know how ready I am. I think with my GoPro and my GoPro accessory kits, I am like 60% ready because a whole lot is going to come. I have to move back to Ghana and it's going to be crazy, but I am positive about it and I am excited. I hope you're excited too. Wish me all the best because I'm going to need it. Support my channel by subscribing, hit the like button to push my video out there, comment what you think about my decision and my GoPro. I hope you enjoyed the video. I am Mami Sika. I am your #1 Kasoa ambassador, and now I am a full-time YouTuber. Remember that obra woara, but life is how you make it. Choose how you want to live your life and go with it. Monetize your passion and have fun while living life. Don't just stay alive, but actually live life. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Okay, not really. Not really. This is not a reaction I wanted, but I thought Serena would say, what? Excuse me? Girl, you can't do that. And people will be like, Susie, no! And Serena will be like, what? Get that out of your mind. And Serena will be like, wow, I don't blame her.
Real life.
Patron man and daddy, remember boom you, Miss Remo, Miss School, McCoy. I have to quit school, I beg.